Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a story about the kind of camper that makes your neighbor Steve say, "Well, I guess I do need another project," before he's even finished his morning coffee. We're talking about the gloriously boxy, unapologetically vintage 1964 Winnebago camper trailer. Now, let's talk specs, because I'm not just here for punchlines. This Winnebago measures 16 feet, 4.87 meters in length, which is just enough space to fit your dreams, 2 narrow beds, and a cooler full of questionable beer choices. The entire thing weighs around 2,000 pounds, 907 kilograms, which means your cousin's aging SUV can probably still tow it without bursting into tears. What I liked the most was the restoration. It's not just a paint job slapped over rust and regrets. This trailer was brought back to life with its original seafoam green interior, 1960s style brown curtains, and period-correct gas stove, icebox, yes icebox, not fridge, Google it, Gen Z, and even a porta potty. And yes, everything works. I believe the air conditioning could cool off the entire cast of Baywatch if they suddenly walked into your campsite. Inside, you'll find seating for 8 if everyone skips leg day, and sleeping space for 2, assuming you like your travel buddy enough not to commit a felony in your sleep. It's like camping with a bit more dignity and a lot more character. Want to find out more? The original listing was up on eBay from user Hoghead75, based in Alto, Georgia, and last we checked, the bidding was hotter than a July afternoon in Death Valley. Located in Alto, Georgia, the camper is auctioned off at no reserve by eBay seller Hoghead75. The listing has attracted 53 bids and a high offer of $8,000 with 16 hours to go. Not bad for a nicely restored vintage trailer, but the auction will probably attract more bids toward the end.